Yeah, get these guys first. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Take them off. Okay. Whoa! Okay, okay. Get that away. Get you guys on the side. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, I got a sparkle head for it! I thought it was just faced out. Okay. Let's try for twofer. Woo! Got a twofer! Alright, okay. Sparkle Hunt Pro right now, bitch!
Isn't spasmatoid an offensive
alright,
term?
alright. So it is a boom, boom,
like your sister.
boom. Yeah! 3! I had nothing for that, sorry. Okay, okay. Let's try for 4. Nah, I had to reload.
We've seen a lot of really interesting stuff today.
2.
Quit trying to turn it into...
Woo! Alright, start it over because I missed the last one. I'm getting them all right now.
Positive. This is a living nightmare.
Juliet, you can make it! Go! Also, did I tell you I love your hair that way?
You're so cute. I love Rosalind. I don't know why, I like the spastic ones.
Rad!
Okay, so those bullets give me 12. Okay. I heard my phone go off. In the game, not in real life. Yeah, just...
I'm drooling.
Okay. Oh, that's right, the stars give me that. This one might be hard. But I've done this part so many times. I think I saved the sparkle power till the end. Because then they start piling on. My shadow looks so weird.
Die, my darling.
Sing it,
There's a
Danzig.
weight limit on this thing. Gotta make sure zombies don't slow it down.
Anybody else excited that Danzig's back with the Misfits rule? But let's hope it's permanent. As much as Danzig can be a douche, I want it to be permanent. And Jerry only too, please. Whoa, that's not what I wanted. Why does that thing really exist? It doesn't do anything. There's one where you shake Nick's head for coins, and it's like, you don't need that. Unless you're like really spastic in the shop, you don't need it. They're just falling off the side, so this is the easy part. Okay, you can... This is why I like this move, because you can easily kill them. Okay, 75. I'm only 75 kilograms. Oh, whoa! I don't remember ever doing that before. Okay. Okay. Take out the big guys first. They just like fly off the edge. That's why I like this. It's like they thought, this might be too hard. Again, I know, using the same move is stupid and boring. I know, but it's the one powerful move I have to take guys out quickly when, especially in this thing where you got a weight limit of 1,000 kilograms. I wish I went in kilograms and not pounds.
It's getting too heavy.
And now is when I do it. Take out the big guys. Alright. And there you go.
Ah, we're falling!
I got us! Yay!
Yay might be pushing it.
I don't think there's really a way to keep him from breaking, so yeah, you did it.
check out that cathedral. It's beautiful.
Yeah, the aesthetics of my surroundings are so interesting to me right now.
I know.
This is asinine, Juliet. I don't need to be here.
You're my mom.
A bit. I guess it's if I don't miss. I don't know. Just seems like too spaced out to get a sparkle
You
on
could
it.
do some cheers.
Rah, rah, it sucks being ahead. Fuck everything. Rah, rah, how's that?
Seriously, it was terrible. But I bet you'll get better with practice.
Sure. Hey, you were hiding in pork potties. Nice. Damn it! Ah! Yeah, cut your fat butt. It's like right up your hole. Okay. See, why is this fair? They get. Again, why is that fair? There are zombies that can have guns and they can just shoot them repeatedly, and it's like, I don't get a chance to kill you. Fucking no!
You're so sexy.
That is not. You wanna know how useless this thing is? You know what this is?
Nick shake.
Exactly what it is. I shake for coins. That's all this is, and I can't fight these guys. They just keep hitting me. This is the most useless thing in the entire game. Nick shake. You fucking kidding me. And it keeps going until the meter runs out. And finally, okay, yeah, I could finally kill you. That was the most useless piece of shit ever. Like, really? Like, I don't think you even really need that to get coins. Like I said, unless you constantly buy lollipops and shit in the shop, which you don't need to do. Unless it's on hard or very hard mode. Because then it limits how many you can have. So useless. Okay, back to this. Again. Come on, damn it! Look at that. Why? That takes up so much life. Come on. Use my only lollipop. Come on. Damn it. Come on. Let me get a shot in edgewise. Come on. I hate these fucking cops. Alright. I have one ticket left. I have one fucking ticket left. Are you kidding me? Finally. Get one down. And you constantly shoot me until I lose my Done. Done with that. Good. Boom! Headshot there. Good. And there's stage 4, guys. Alright. Yeah, take you out from here. This is my strategy, because then it powers down everybody. Because the guys with the boom boxes are powering up all these other zombies. Can I get you? No. I gotta blow that thing up. Okay, come on. Snap back. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I wanted, because then it blows him down. And there's one back here, too. You can't get him. Alright, just take you out for now. Get out of the way! Alright, and then there's one. Without them? Without me drawing attention to myself, there's one behind that brick. Yeah, get you. Okay, now you all see me. Alright, and one's just facing the wall back there. Oh, whoa, camera angle. Camera angle, I can't see.
These zombies are like the awfulest dancers ever.
Oh, this is awful. Oh my god, I can't unsee this. It's worse than when I walked in on my parents having sex.
Oh, you're not the only one. Anyway, yeah. Come on. You're almost dead. Come on. Why are you naked? It's that woman. I need a loading screen for that? Yeah, because I kind of wanted to look around and see if I missed anything. Alright, I didn't miss nothing. Alright. Okay. Oh. No. Are you kidding me? This is what I mean. This is completely unfair.
Awesome, baby!
Why would you have zombies that have no function of what's going on whatsoever in their brain other than to, like, drag their bodies and walk? How would they know how to trigger a gun? Dead ski. Dead. Other one dead. Fuck with that. At this point in this game, yeah. I'm floating.